So today, welcome to an exhilarating update on one of Ghana's most transformative infrastructural projects, that is the Pokuase Nsawam Road. This road is a critical highway, which is a vital link connecting Accra to the eastern, Ashanti and the northern regions. The project is now racing towards completion with unprecedented momentum. After years of challenges, this road project is now looking like the beacon of progress which was promised to the people of Ghana. It is promising smoother travel and will be contributing to the thriving commerce and a brighter future for Ghanaians. So join me today as I'll be delving into the heart of this remarkable transformation and why it's now racing towards completion, uncovering what it means for the people of Ghana, which has led to this resumption and the speed being attributed to the project. So before we get deeper, hit the like button as always, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, turn on the post notifications so as not to miss any details we bring to you on this channel. Let's get into this one. The Pokuase Nsawam Road is far more than just a stretch of pavement. It's part of the lifeline of Ghana's connectivity and economic growth. The road spans 33.4 kilometers along the National Route 6. This highway also serves as a critical corridor, linking the vibrant capital of Ghana, which is Accra, to key regions and also leads to the facilitation of trade with neighboring nations like Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Mali and the rest. For communities in the Greater Accra region, especially the Gan West municipality, including Pokuase, Amasaman and Media, this road is the backbone of daily life. It supports everything from local markets to international logistics. For years, the commuters have endured significant hardship on this route. The potholes, uneven surfaces, and also the construction delays have transformed what should be a seamless journey into a daily struggle. The heavy rains on the road have worsened the conditions, leaving the sections of the route waterlogged and also hazardous. Yet, the road's importance cannot be overstated. It's a gateway for economic opportunity, as it has become a conduit for cultural exchanges and also a vital link for regional trade. The urgency of its completion is now dawning on the government of Ghana. Because of how the project, when it was announced, ignited a wave of determination. The recent strides forward are nothing short of inspiring because it showcases Ghana's commitment to building a world-class infrastructure. The catalyst for the resumption of the Pokuase Nsawam Road's revival lies in a monumental financial commitment from the government. The government has committed a staggering 809 million Ghana cedi, which has been disbursed to the contractor, Maripoma Enterprise Limited, the Ghanaian-owned contractor leading this ambitious project. The funding was strategically released in phases. It underscores the government's resolute dedication to transforming this highway. The final payment was completed just this August 4th, 2025, fulfilling all financial obligations, paving the way for the accelerated construction and renewed hope for the commuters, with many not aware that the President John Mahama was working to expedite this project. Well, he has released the last of the sum of the $809 million, as I've earlier stated. The financial milestone is also more than just this transaction, because for months, the project faced setbacks due to the delayed payments, leaving the road users frustrated and the transport operators vocal about their challenges. The government's swift action is sure to silence most skeptics and also reinvigorate the construction site. The contractor is now working with unparalleled energy. Their machinery is now a constant presence as they reshape the vital corridor. This breakthrough reflects a powerful collaboration between the policymakers, the contractors, and also the stakeholders, all united by the vision of progress and prosperity for Ghana. The Ghanaian government are working assiduously to make sure that this project is completed on time and the resumption is racing towards completion. The return of the construction crews to the Pokuase Nsawam Road that has sparked joy across the communities. After months of stagnation, Maripoma Enterprise Limited's renewed presence has brought tangible relief to commuters who have endured weeks of grueling gridlock, because not seeing the contractor on an unfinished road is very disheartening, and the people of Ghana complain bitterly. The contractor's commitment is now evident, with crews working tirelessly day and night to recover the lost time. From Sapeman to Samsam Junction, the road is undergoing a dramatic transformation, with smoother surfaces and improved traffic flow, already easing the daily commute. This resurgence was spurred by mounting pressure from transport unions, particularly the Ghana Private Road Transport Union, which is the GPRTU, which issued a bold ultimatum demanding swift action to address the road's dire state. Their call for accountability resonated deeply with the commuters, also the residents and businesses grappling with the economic toll of their prolonged delays and also the vehicle damage. The road is obviously in a deplorable state and everyone is waiting to see its completion. The contractor's return is also timely, just before the ultimatum's deadline on August 20, 2025. This highlights the government's responsiveness and also the collective resolution to see this project through. It is a win for every Ghanaian, not just for the infrastructure, but also especially the people who rely on this road every day. There is now a rapid progress on the Pokuase Nsawam road, reshaping lives and also the livelihoods of Ghanaians. From the residents of Pokuase, Amasaman and the surrounding areas, the road's completion promises safer, faster commutes and also reduced vehicle maintenance costs because of how bad the road is dealing with the cars. The local businesses, from the roadside vendors to the large-scale traders, are all poised to thrive with improved connectivity once it's completed. This will be enabling a quicker delivery of goods and services as a key transit corridor for the West African trade. This particular road's transformation positions Ghana as a logistics hub, amplifying its role in regional commerce. Beyond the economics, this project is also about restoring dignity to commuters who have navigated hazardous conditions for far too long. It's about ensuring that the students can reach school safely. Also, workers can travel without delays, with families connecting without fear of accidents. The government's commitment is now paired with the contractor's relentless efforts, signaling a future where quality infrastructure uplifts every facet of life. The Pokuase Nsawam Road, once completed, is set to become a symbol of Ghana's ambition to build a connected and prosperous nation, because the government ought to not leave any project unattended to. The journey of the Pokuase Nsawam Road construction project has not been without hurdles, because the delays, funding challenges and unpredictable weather has tested the resilience of all the parties involved, including the citizenry. Yet these obstacles are being removed one by one, aiming to deliver this world-class highway for the people of Ghana. The collaboration between the government, the contractors, and also the community leaders has been a masterclass in perseverance. This is demonstrating that challenges can be overcome through unity and determination, and also by a listening government. These lessons ought to guide the future infrastructural projects that Ghana embarks on, ensuring that the nation Ghana continues to build with purpose and precision. The Pokuase Nsawam Road has now resumed and is now racing towards completion. It's more than just a road construction project, as it's a testament of Ghana's unwavering commitment to progress, because seeing the project through is what the country ought to do, and its responsibility. With the funding secured, the contractor on site and the completion in sight, this highway is poised to become a model of infrastructural excellence. Now stay tuned to this channel for more updates as we witness Ghana's journey to greatness. Share your thoughts on the money released, that is the 809 million Ghana cedi, for the project's completion. Like this video to inform others as well. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Share the video. Turn on the post notification for any time we post so as to not miss any of the details. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.